Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Dreame D30 Ultra. If you're interested in the D30 Ultra, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, and our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the description. So on our vacuum right here, make sure your unit's powered on. Ours is powered on. The light should be solid white. This restart is simple. It's a simple power cycle. We're just turning it off and then back on again. So we're going to press and hold down the power button for a couple of seconds here. Let go once you hear that music and it's shutting down. Eventually you'll notice that the white lights will go off here. The lights just went off. And now we're going to go ahead. We can give it a couple more seconds here, but the way to turn it back on is just pressing and holding the power button again. Wait till the lights come on. Okay, the lights are on. I'm going to let go. It's going to take a couple of seconds to initialize. The lights will be blinking white. Eventually, they will go solid white, and it'll be powered back on. You'll hear that music. That's all a good sign. Just give it a couple more seconds, but your unit is restarted. It's powered on, and you're all set and ready to go.